The sun rises over the Bale Mountains of Ethiopia. Golden light bathes the frosty peaks. A lone figure stands on a rocky outcrop. This is Kito, an Ethiopian wolf. Kito is a magnificent creature. He has a long, slender snout and pointed ears. His reddish coat blends with the rocks. He is a sentinel, watching over his territory. But Kito is not alone. He is a father, his mate hidden in their den nearby. They have pups to protect. Kito represents an ancient lineage. Ethiopian wolves are found only in these highlands. They are perfectly adapted to this challenging environment, but their existence hangs by a thread. Sadly, Kito and his kind face a grave threat. Diseases brought in by domestic dogs are spreading through their population. The wolves are incredibly vulnerable. Their future is uncertain. The Ethiopian wolf is critically endangered. Fewer than 500 individuals remain in the wild. Their numbers have dwindled, their howls fading from the mountains. The threat of disease looms large. Canine distemper and rabies are the main culprits. These diseases are highly contagious and often fatal to wolves. Domestic dogs living near the park are often carriers. They transmit the diseases through contact or even just proximity. The impact of these outbreaks is devastating. Entire packs can be wiped out in a matter of weeks. The loss of each wolf brings the species closer to the brink. Urgent action is needed to protect these unique creatures. Hope comes in the form of dedicated park rangers. These brave men and women work tirelessly to protect the wolves. They patrol the park boundaries, monitoring the wolf populations. They're on the front line of conservation. One of their most important tasks is vaccination. The rangers capture wolves and vaccinate them against rabies and canine distemper. This is a challenging and dangerous task, but it is crucial for the wolves' survival. The rangers also work with local communities. They educate people about the importance of vaccinating their dogs. This helps to create a buffer zone around the park, protecting the wolves from disease. The dedication of these conservation heroes is bearing fruit. Thanks to their efforts, there is hope for the Ethiopian wolf. Vaccination campaigns are proving effective. Outbreaks are becoming less frequent and less severe. Slowly but surely, the wolf population is stabilizing. There are even signs of recovery in some areas. New pups, like Kitos, represent the future of the species. Their survival rests on the continued efforts of the rangers and the support of the global community. The story of the Ethiopian wolf is a stark reminder of the fragility of life. It highlights the devastating impact of human actions on wildlife, but it also offers a glimmer of hope. With dedication, collaboration and resources, we can turn the tide. We can protect these magnificent creatures from extinction. We can ensure that the haunting howl of the Ethiopian wolf continues to echo through the Bale Mountains for generations to come. Their survival is in our hands.